Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You all are superstars, and that's why in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you another way that I found out that you can use in earning money online here in Nigeria and any part of the world for free. It is actually working here. You're not gonna deposit a dime, you're not gonna put in money, you're not gonna review tasks, you're not gonna play games, you're not gonna do any survey. This is just for free. You just have to activate and your profit is going to end, or it's going to double up each and every second. Okay, so this is working, but I want to put a disclaimer. This can make you rich. Yeah, this can make you rich, but it can just put some penny in your pocket. Let me just say, this can just be like a side hustle, but I have a business that I do online that makes me huge money, and this business is affiliate marketing. If you're willing and you're ready to learn affiliate marketing, just leave a comment down there in the comment section. I'm going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing and how to turn your income from your job, like a salary, into a penny, like a change. Like, these are my earnings from affiliate marketing, and I will love to teach you how to get this money here online. But before you come over to my DM, or before you leave a comment that you want to learn affiliate marketing, to get affiliate marketing or to join affiliate marketing just costs 5,500 naira. So if you are interested, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be sending you a link down there to my DM, so that I will teach you affiliate marketing and how to leave your job and base your income on affiliate marketing. So let's get into the main video. So I just found out that this website is gonna pay you for doing all the all you just have to do just to get registered and then activate your miner, and that's all. Okay, so let me just show you how my profit is doubling each and every time. Okay, so it's about to show me total profits. Okay, let's just wait. I want to log into my account. This is not my main account, so I want to log in. Okay, this brightness has reduced. Okay, so I want to log into my account, so confirm. Let me log into my account and show you how my income is doubling every second, and you can withdraw it, but I'm not going to be withdrawing mine now. Okay, but I'm going to show you. So you just have to solve this puzzle in order to log in. I've already created an account, and I'm still going to show you how to create an account on this. Okay, I'm going to show you an account on how to create an account on this. Okay, so this is my profit. As you can see, this is my profit over here, and my profit keeps on ringing each and every time. As you can see, this is my profit over here. As you can see, I've earned about 3.11, and it is still multiplying every time. And when I'm ready to withdraw my money, I'll just click on this part where it says withdraw. So what you just have to do is to click on the link down there in the description box. Once you've clicked on it, it's going to bring you over to momoandfinance.com, momo.nfinancial. So when you just register, it's gonna bring you over to here. You don't have to activate any miner. Once you're registered and it brings you over to here, in order for you to register, you just need your email and your password. And once you're registered, it's gonna bring you over to here, and then it's going to start mining for you. So once you start mining, that's just it. Once any amount you want to register, you can register, but you can't register. But any amount you want to withdraw, you can withdraw, but you cannot withdraw cents. You can withdraw at least a suitable amount of money, at least $12, $20, $30. Yeah, but you just allow this your miner to keep on mining money for you. And you can also refer friend. For any friend you refer, get $100 instantly. Okay, so click on the link down there in the description box. Yeah, click on it, and it's going to bring you over to here, and just start your miner, get registered, and start making money just like the way each and everybody out there is making money. If you want to upgrade your account, you can click on this part where it says upgrade. If you want to withdraw, you can click on this part where it says withdraw. If you want to see more videos about Momo, and just leave it down there in the comment section, and I will be pleased to do more videos about this. I don't want to make you bored, so if you love this video, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and give this video a blue thumbs up, yeah, to make this video go viral to other viewers. Do you have any question? Leave it down there in the comment section. Bye and stay safe.